Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just have a quick little video to tell you guys about some new things in my shop. So I finally got a chance to restock these dangle charms. They're so cute, guys. So as you know, Christmas in July is a thing. So I got a whole bunch of Christmas. I got like a wintry blue one. This one looks to me like it matches the Happy Haunting collection, or it just could be Halloween, or just a pink one. I've got a pumpkin one and a grape one. So I'm going to show you guys each one in detail, but they are available in my Etsy shop now. This is just... This is just the first new batch of new things, I guess. I'm gonna have more sequin mixes coming out. I'll have more dangle charms, maybe towards the end of the month, like some Valentine's Day ones. I know, we're skipping ahead. We're doing all the things right now since I'm off for the summer, so I'm trying to get everything done. So yeah, but there's gonna be another, there's gonna be some other ones coming out soon too. Maybe some more Halloween ones. There might be some other color mixes eventually, but for now this is what I have. Again, sequin mixes are coming out next. I'm thinking I'm gonna do some flower sets again. I had those before and they're pretty much gone. I'll make some flower kits. So more things are coming to my shop soon, but let me just get started and show you guys these guys in detail. And in case you guys want to purchase any of these, the link to my Etsy shop is down below, but it's also just KarolinasKrafts.etsy.com. Okay, so here is one of the planner charm dangle things. So you could attach them to a planner. You could also attach them to the spine of an album. You could use it as a keychain. You could attach it to your bag. They do have this lobster clasp closure. All of them do. So you could attach it pretty much onto anything, onto any project. It just looks so cute. Even on a notebook, like, it just looks adorable. A nice little like dangle. It's adorable, guys. So I have this one in my shop. It's got like minty colors and reds. So you've got the mint, the red polka dot, and like a crystallized one that's crystallized like on the inside. And these are the colors of the seam binding. So I've got that one. I've got this one. This one's got like a white faceted bead at the top. You've got like a pepperminty one, and then this crystal rhinestone one with green and red, and then just matching seam binding. So they're all limited quantities. The most I have of each one is 3, but like for example, that first one I only have 2. This one I only have 1 available. This one I have 2. This one's gonna be called Oh Dear, so you guys can look for that in the shop. So you've got this like clear one that's got like a deer. I don't know if that's, can you guys even tell? It's got like a little green deer. You've got like a burgundy kind of colored bead, a white crystallized bead, and then some seam binding. This next one I think is called Santa's Elf. So I have a gold bead, a red striped, and a green. And then these are the colors of the seam binding. Aren't they so cute, guys? Look how adorable they are. Oh my god, so cute. This next one is called Oh Christmas Tree. So similar to that other one, it's just the bead is different. One of them is a deer and one of them is a Christmas tree. So the deer I had 2 and the Christmas tree I only had 1 of. So only 1 of those. This next one is called Grape Orchid. So not specific to like any season. I just wanted to make some purpley ones. So I've got like this crystallized on the inside bead, a pearl bead, and a purple stripe with 2-tone or 2 different colors of purple seam binding. This next one is called Pumpkin Please. So you've got this pumpkin bead at the top. You've got a pearl, and then you've got an orange crystal bead. And there's 3 different colors of seam binding here. You've got like this yellow orange, this peachy one, and then you've got this dark orange. So 3 different colors in this one. This next one is called Hey Boo. So you've also got 3 different colors of seam binding in this one. So you've got the crystal black one, you've got the pink, you've got like a orangey kind of pink. So when I did the seam binding, I did some black. I did like this somewhat peachy color, and I did a pink. And I'm pretty sure this matches the Hey Haunting collection. That's what it was like looking to me as I was making it, so I really liked that. And then I forgot what this one was called. It might be Winter Frost, which doesn't have to be winter specifically. It's just blues, but since we're in some of a holiday theme, I named it Winter Frost. So you've got this blue crystallized bead, the white faceted bead, this like turquoise color, and then you've got 3 different colors of seam binding. You've got this light blue, you've got this darker blue, and you've even got like a white in here. So you've got a mix in there as well. So I have 3 of some are 2, and then that one is just 1. So those are all available in my Etsy shop. You guys could check that out. Link is down below. Thank you guys so much in advance. I love making these. I think I'm gonna keep a couple of them so I can add them to my own projects, or maybe I'll just make some more. But yeah, they're so cute. And you guys know I get all of my seam binding from my Scrap Cabin shop. I'm always talking about her shop, and I always mention where I get her seam binding from. You guys could check her out down below as well in case you guys want to make your own. So you guys could click on that. But yeah, she always has a nice variety of colors. All of these colors are from her shop, so you guys could check her out. Obviously not the beads, but the seam binding is from her shop. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. You guys will see more crafty projects, and you guys will also get the new updates of when I add more things to my Etsy shop. And otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. So thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!